Generative AI is fundamentally different for a lot of reasons. Well, if you think about traditional software, think about any application you use, and application can be a website, can be a mobile app, can be a computer program. They are consistent, they're traceable, they're deterministic, and they're easy to test. What I mean by that is traditional software function. I've got an input. If I put that input in, I'm going to get the same output. If I run it 1,000 times, 1,000,000 times, I'm going to get the same one, unless it's designed to produce different results, but for the most part, software is not. It's also traceable. I can know exactly what path that took through my code, and I can understand why it came to a decision. It's deterministic, which is similar to consistent, a little bit different. Deterministic means that I know every time, based on this input, I'm going to get a certain output. There's no variability within it. And then lastly, it is easy to test, mostly because we've designed it to be easy to test. Generative AI is fundamentally different for a lot of reasons. One, it's inconsistent. And that variability is built into the architecture of these models. Yes, I know you can set the temperature of a model to 0 and you're going to get less variability, but it is not deterministic, and they are built not to be deterministic. They're difficult to trace, and there are a few reasons for this, okay? And so it's difficult to test. The reason it's difficult to test is a lot of the tasks that these models are meant to do are a little bit more subjective than objective. The main reason for that is the primary interface is chatbots. And it's really difficult to know what should a chatbot respond given a particular message. The same way, like, what would a human respond?